The 21st of February, the year 2024. Welcome to Capital News Bulletin, where we bring you stories that are making headlines. My name is Fidel Kizito. The Supreme Court has annulled the Court of Appeal directive deeming the NSSF Act unconstitutional, a jurisdiction infringement. According to the Apex Court, a consolidated petition challenging statute's validity should have fallen under the purview of Employment and Labour Relations Court. Chief Justice Martha Koome, leading a full bench, emphasized that the Court of Appeals erroneously assumed jurisdiction over the matter. Petitioners, including the Kenya Tea Growers Association, contested the enactment, citing inadequate public participation. President William Ruto says interventions made since his administration took power in 2022 have particularly eased the economic burden that is being felt by Kenyans. Addressing the media on the third day of the second executive retreat in Naivasha, Nakuru County, the president said the interventions have been deliberate in areas that have ensured that the cost of food will begin to go down. He emphasized the need to boost domestic food production to reduce reliance on imports and lower costs.
Yesterday marked a significant financial milestone for Kenya as we successfully settled the buyback of a substantial part of the $2 billion 2014 Euro bonds that were scheduled to mature on the 24th of June 2024 by paying $1.5 billion raised on 12th February 2024. The successful execution of both the buyback and the new bond issue demonstrates strong investor confidence in Kenya through the international capital markets and a vote of confidence in the government's overall economic management, particularly our public debt management strategy. It is also a most important culmination of a determined turnaround policy from an initial state in August 2022 characterized by simultaneous reduction of revenues as a percentage of GDP and the increase of debt as a percentage of GDP, resulting in fiscal deficit, which led to unsustainable expansion of Kenya's debt stock. External factors such as adverse development in the international monetary system and the disruptions in the supply chains further compounded the situation, resulting in a steady weakening of the Kenya shilling. Upon assuming office, we committed to bring our economy back on track by taking necessary measures, making necessary choices, and outright sacrifices to raise revenue, reduce expenditure, and basically make sure that our nation lives within its means.
KEMSA board has suspended its procurement director Gilbert Mumati and reshuffled 23 staff members. This follows an internal audit that revealed irregularities in the procurement system. KEMSA chairman Irungu Nyakera said the audit uncovered a 3 billion shillings debt within the agency. He pledged the implementation of further reforms to enhance efficiency in distributing medical supplies at the national's healthcare facility. Finally, South Africa says the national and provincial elections will be held on 29th May, coinciding with the nation's 30 years of freedom and democracy celebrations. President Cyril Ramaphosa consulted with the Electoral Commission regarding the election date and convened a meeting with provincial premiers to discuss readiness. Voters will elect representatives for the National Assembly's provincial and legislature across 9 provinces. Ramaphosa seeks a second term as president. For more of these and other stories, log into www.capitalfm.co.ke/news. My name is Fidel Kizito.